Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change language on your Bitcoin.com mobile application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Bitcoin.com application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your account, and after you are, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the settings menu, tap on App Preferences. Under App Preferences, tap on Language. On the next page, choose your preferred language that you want to change to. I'm going to choose Arabic. Right after you make your choice, you will be able to see your home screen turn into your chosen language. So that's how you easily change language on your Bitcoin.com app. You can always follow these steps again and get to the language option and choose your preferred language anytime you want. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.